kids, welcome to the English online class. Last class we have done chapter 16, Fun with Words. Do you remember? So let's continue that same chapter. In the book, page number 84, C. Match the places with the things we find them. We find there. Okay. Here chemist. Chemist means the place where we buy medicines. So in your book you will see related some pictures are there. I have drawn for you. So among these pictures you will be able to understand which one is related to chemist. Medicine sums are there. So it is this one, last one, number 1. Then number 2, restaurant. In the restaurant what you get? Do you know what you get from the restaurant? Foods. Okay, so here I have drawn 2 baskets. It will be here, number 2. Then number 3, bookshop. Bookshop, the sounds only you can understand. It's a shop where you get books. So here, this one will be number 3, books. I have just simply drawn. I think you are not getting, but in your book it is prominent. You will be able to understand. Number 4, ice cream parlor. So here you will get ice creams. The picture is there. But you don't take nowadays because why you know? Yes, it is so cold. You will get cough and cold. Don't take. And the last one is grocers. Where we get, here it is the bread, egg and many more are there. So it's a matching. And you know children, while doing matching, never draw line. Okay? You have to write the numbers. And on that page only, D. This is little big, but you should understand. I am making you clear. Some words have smaller words hidden in them. It's a word where a small word is also there. The hidden words are called kangaroo words. Here I'll tell you, the hidden words are called kangaroo words because kangaroos are hidden, no? They're in the pouch. So, underline the kangaroo word hidden inside each word given below. Write it in the blank space. While doing, you will understand. It is very easy and very nice and interesting too. Number 1, it is written CHIN, chin. So here you see a small word is hidden. Can you guess what is it? Yes, it is IN, in. I told no, it's a kangaroo word. Some word is hidden in it. Then number 2, pencil, PENCIL, pencil. Here which one? When you are writing in pencil with the help of pencil, no? But your parents, when they are writing, and I am also writing, what is it? It's a pen. PEN, pen. Now next is beer. See? BEAR, beer. So again you see here one EAR, ear. Okay? It's a sense organ you are having. Now stop, STOP, stop. Here again it comes TOP, top. Now spread, SPREAD, spread. So here it is READ, read. You are reading book, that read. Now here number 6, there, THERE, there. So here I am getting here, HE. Hari here. Now number 7, worm. W-A-R-M, worm. A-R-M, arm. Now fall, F-A-L-L, fall. So it is coming A-L-L. Isn't it interesting, children? Yes, because the name of the chapter is only Fun with Words. So what you will do, children? In your book, English grammar book, page number 84 and 85, you will do as homework. This I have discussed, and 85 is again some things are there which is more interesting. Okay, children, today till this much. Have a nice day. Ta-ta.